Types of air conditioners. 1. Window AC, the simplest unit, fits in a window. 2. Split AC, has an indoor and outdoor unit, common in homes. 3. Central AC, used in large shopping malls, offices, and buildings. 4. Portable AC, can be moved from one place to another. 5. Inverter AC, modern technology, consumes less electricity. Summary. First-hand fan. 3000 BC. Egypt, China, India. First electric fan. 1882 Schuyler Wheeler, USA. First ceiling fan. 1886 Hunter Brothers, USA. First modern air conditioner. 1902 Willis Carrier, USA. Today, there are dozens of types of fans and AC units. Conclusion. From fans to air conditioners, this journey is essentially humanity's battle against heat, yet even today, the cool breeze of an old fan gives the most comfort. Wind face sparkles.